Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to insert multiple bullet points in one cell in Excel like this. So we have this one cell and we have multiple bullet points. So there is two method. One method using shortcut, uh, like here. This is the one cell. Press and hold Alt number 7. Now Alt enter Alt number 7. Alt enter Alt number 7. So repeat this action as many as you need. Alt enter and Alt number 7, and make sure you have numeric key portion on keyboard. If you not have, so you can use second method, copy and paste. So open Chrome browser and search bullet point or search bullet point symbol and copy from any search result or from any website. Find out and copy and paste. Now copy and paste in any cell. Control V. Now Alt enter. Control V. Like this. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.